Juggle me a juggle and I try me a try.
On A Ray of Hope a week ago, we introduced you to Bruno's bus program, explaining how he uses his love for music to entertain public passengers, while at the same time providing for himself. This week we take you to Bruno's home, where not only do we meet his family, but his common-law wife, who is also visually impaired.
We grew up in the Salvation Army School for the Blind, so we became friends from small till we get big.
They're raising a 3-year-old.
He really supports her. He never makes sure to her bed hungry, not one day. So if he wake up tomorrow morning and no Monday the day, he might wake up the earliest and run out there to make sure say we have something.
It's not every day I go good. Some day bad. You know we live on TV. We go out early to make sure say the things meet. When the people them pop off the Kyle, I don't know. Me just don't believe. So me fi be alive and me youth garbage, hungry, or even me got my bed hungry.
In his community, Bruno is also known as Rudy, and it's evident the support he gets from his neighbors. For, as you can see, they've all gathered around him to dance and sing his songs verse by verse. He says this is another reason to keep going.
I really want if I could get a laptop for further the business when I do the music business, because I can not only play music, I can mix music, Although the whole world's supposed to know that. And you me there and me say 1, 2, yeah. I want people to know, don't look down on people. Don't look down on nobody at all, especially people with disability. Because when you have disability, people seems to push you to the side, and they want to take out that stigma out of Jamaica, because people without disability moving like they have a disability, and that is it.
With your Ray of Hope, I'm Herman Green.